Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate Convertbox with Leadpages in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to Convertbox at a huge discount. Step 1. Adding your Leadpages site to Convertbox. Make sure that the site created inside your Convertbox dashboard matches your Leadpages domain. If you're using a Leadpages domain, then your site will be mysite.lpages.co. If you are using your own domain, then your site will be mydomain.com. See this tutorial on how to add a site to your Convertbox account. In your account dashboard, under the header on the left, select the Site drop-down menu and then select Manage My Sites. On the My Sites tab, select the plus Add Site button. This will open a modal. Add your site domain name and select Add Site. Now when you return to your dashboard, your newly added site will be available for selection in the Sites drop-down menu. Step 2. Add Convertbox's embed code to Leadpages. You can add your Convertbox script in two ways to Leadpages. Through the drag and drop builder. Through a standard template. 1. Adding the script to the drag and drop builder. Choose a drag and drop page from your list of pages and edit it, or create a new one. Select Tracking in the left-hand sidebar. Go to the Analytics tab. Paste your Convertbox embed code into the last box. To locate your embed code, click Save, then close out of the Page Tracking panel. Finally, publish or update your page. 2. Adding the script to a standard template. Select the standard page you wish to add the script to. Select Lead Page Options, from menu on left, then select Tracking Code. Paste your Convertbox embed code into the second box and select Done.